نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. Welcome to Quran Made Easy, ayah by ayah, word by word, lesson 24. In this lesson, we will be learning the 12th ayah of Surah Al-Baqarah. Let's start. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون. Verily they are the fools, but they do not know. When the word Allah comes in the Quran, it means that pay attention now. Whatever is coming after is very important. In other languages, it means khabardar. Innahum, verily they. Innahum, verily they. Hum, they. Hum, they. Al-mufsidun, the fools. Al-mufsidun, the fools. We have studied that, so when two zamir comes, it's more emphasized. Innahum humul mufsidun. Verily, they are the fools. It's more emphasis. If you say innahumul mufsidun, verily they are the fools. So if you say innahum humul mufsidun, they are the fools. So there's more emphasis. Yani, these people are the fools. Innahum humul mufsidun, verily they are the fools. Walakin, but. Walakin meaning but. La yash'urun, they do not know. La yash'urun, they do not know. La, not. Yash'urun, they know. La yash'urun, they do not know. Yash'urun meaning also know and perceive, aware. La yash'urun, they do not know. Innahum is made of two words. Inna, hum. Inna, hum. Inna, verily or indeed. Hum, they. Hum, they. Innahum. Innahum, verily, they. I have explained this more in the full course. I try to take the full course. It is more explained with details. Innahum, verily, they. La yash'urun, they do not know. So yash'urun is a verb fi'al. The root word is shu'ur. Shu'ur. Shu'ur, as I said, awareness, perceive, or know. Yash'urun, the root word is shu'ur. And the past tense is sha'ara. Sha'ara. He was aware or he knew. Sha'ara. Sha'ara. And the future tense and the present tense is yash'uru. Yash'uru. He will be aware or he will know. Yash'uru. Yash'uru. Sha'ara yash'uru. This you have to memorize and keep it memorized. Sha'ara yash'uru. Sha'ara yash'uru. Sha'ara past tense and yash'uru future tense. And the root word is shu'ur. Sha'ara yash'uru. Shu'urun or shu'uran. Memorize this. Sha'ara yash'uru shu'uran. Sha'ara yash'uru shu'uran. Sha'ara yash'uru shu'uran. Try to memorize this. And whatever fi'al and verb you have memorized, please continue. If you can repeat them every day, that will be better. So if it comes in the future in the Quran, you will know the past tense and the future tense and the root word. Other places in the Quran, وَمَا يُشْعِرُكُمْ أَنَّهَا إِذَا جَاءَتْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. And what will make you perceive that even if a sign came, they would not believe. Another place comes in the Quran, أَن تَحْبَطَ أَعْمَالُكُمْ أَنْتُمْ لَا تَشْعُرُونَ. Lest your deed become worthless while you perceive not. يشعرون most of the places it comes يشعرون تشعرون لا يشعرون لا تشعرون. It doesn't come in the Quran too many places. ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون. Verily they are the fools, but they do not know. This is it for this lesson. It is your time to study now. Try to study each word and try to memorize and keep it memorized. Try to watch this video again and again so you don't forget. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.